Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel, where today we're gonna have a look at gold and we are gonna see what are the next potential target levels and how we could possibly take advantage of what's going on right now, and eventually make some profits for ourselves. All right, before we proceed, obviously check out the links below this video and follow us on social media, but more importantly join our free Telegram channel where you can find even more trading related content, and that's how you can stay up to date with what's going on the forex market. Also subscribe to this channel because there is going to be videos like this one every single week, not just for gold but for other instruments as well. Okay, now first we're gonna have a look at our TradingView channel, where I'm sharing gold ideas pretty much every week, and we're gonna start with this one from April 12th. Alright, so that's when I predicted that gold will push to the upside, and then we mapped out this zone right here, which was essentially a sell zone. And as you can see from this arrow, I wanted for price to make a pullback inside of this zone, and that's where I was going to look for potential reversal. Now what happened next was price came up here. Yes, it did take a little time for that reversal to happen, and that's because we had this high, we had the push down, then we had another higher high, but then eventually price turned around, continued to the downside, breaking below that level here and continuing even lower, and as you can see it reached even lower levels after that. So obviously since then price has continued lower, and we've just posted another analysis a couple of days ago where I think price will reach 1760 next. Obviously there are going to be other levels before that to watch out for, but our target will remain at 1760 anyways. So what are the levels that are probably going to affect price before that? Let's have a look at the chart. In fact, I'm going to start off from the weekly time frame. Okay, so what we've got here is this initial upside move, a massive bull run here to that 2050 level up around here. Then we've got the pullback, we've got another push up, price rejecting that previous high while retesting it, and then we've got this drop which is happening right now. Okay, and by the way, if you are interested in trading gold, what you can do is you can find the link for our website in the description below this video, and you can see our course which is specifically made for gold, and it includes a trading strategy, a lot of fundamentals about gold, practice videos, and just a lot of content which is going to help you, especially if you are focusing mainly on gold. Okay, like I said, there's going to be a link in the description below this video. Now what I think is going to happen next is price will continue that bearish run all the way down here to those previous lows, maybe even slightly lower, and then we're going to see that full reversal happening. However, like I said, while price is going down, there are going to be a few levels to watch out for, and those are levels that I've found using the Fibonacci expansion or the Fibonacci retracement tool. So looking at the daily time frame, the first level to watch out for will be 1817 or maybe 1820, where I think price is going to break below and it will eventually reach 1760. We'll see how it's going to react around that level as well. I'm pretty sure there are going to be some type of pullbacks around both these levels, and then if price breaks below 1760, we're probably going to see 1670 next. Okay, and looking at where price currently is, 1844, I know that 1670 looks quite far, but even when we were trading around the 2000 level in our private Telegram channel, I shared that we are expecting this bearish run, and a lot of people said that 1817 looks quite far, and as you can see, price is pretty much there. Okay, so keep that in mind. Expect that price could fall as low as 1670, and from around those levels down here is where I'm going to be looking for a potential reversal to the upside. Okay, so we've seen what the main direction is. We found out that on the weekly, the daily time frame, so we're going to drop down to the 4-hour chart, and obviously now we're only looking to sell the market. What we see here is this downtrend going on, where price has recently broken below that support right here or those previous couple of lows, and I'm expecting that we will see, obviously a continuation down to 18.17 next. Okay, that's where we're probably going to see some type of consolidation, maybe a little bit of a pullback before we see the next drop to the downside. So I'm going to have a look at the hourly time frame, and by the way, once price hits that 18.17 or 18.20 and it creates a confirmed bottom, that's when we can place a Fibonacci retracement to another Fibonacci expansion as well, and that's how we're going to find out about the next levels to the downside, because those levels 18.17 and 17.60 and 16.70 are levels that we've got from the higher time frames. However, like I said, there are going to be some minor levels in between those, and we can only find them as price is continuing to create lower lows and lower highs, right? That's where we're going to place our new fib expansions, new fib retracement twos, and we're going to find out where that levels are. So as soon as price hits that 18.17 and it then makes a pullback, we're going to place a Fibonacci retracement, and we're going to see where that pullback will end, right? So for example, what we could see is a push down, then we can see a retracement to around, let's say 1845 or 1850, or maybe even all the way up here to retest those previous lows, and then we're probably going to see that continuation down. Okay, so when it comes to trading opportunities, that's something that you could wait for price to come down here, bounce off, create a pullback, and at the end of that pullback, again depending on the fib levels and also candlestick patterns, as soon as you see that this downside move is about to continue, you can make your entry, right? We're going to use stop loss above that previous high right here, and then we're going to be targeting 17.60 next. Now if you currently have any short trades on gold and from higher levels from previous highs, then make sure to go risk free, and you can place your take profit at 17.60 straight away. Okay, it's probably gonna take us some time for price to complete that target. That could probably go into next week, but every time price creates lower highs, you're going to be moving your stop loss above those new structures, and that's how you're going to lock in profit, and at the same time you can easily stay in this trade and wait for price to hit your full take profit. Okay, so when it comes to entries here on the hourly time frame, this is something that you could wait for a bounce off and a pullback in order to make an entry, or if price breaks below that level straight away, then I would normally wait for a pullback, a retest of the breakout, and then a potential continuation to the downside. So those are your couple of entries here on gold on the hourly time frame. But if you are not a swing trader, if you're more of a day trader or maybe even a scalper, then I wouldn't suggest making an entry now. Or maybe if we look at the 15-minute time frame, you could actually wait for price to retest those previous lows. That's where you can make your entry, or again, you can wait for that new structure, then you can wait for a breakout, and then you can make your entry. So very similar situation depending on what time frames you're looking at. If you are looking at even a lower time frame, then you can also have a breakout and retest of this previous low as well. Then you can go for targets at 18.17, then you can wait for the next structure, next breakout and retest, and then you can look for 17.60. But like I said, we've got to be patient, we've got to have rules when we're trading. It doesn't matter what time frame we're trading on. I normally execute my entries on the hourly chart, and that's why I'm showing this option where you're either looking to enter right now around 18.50, or you wait for price to break below that 18.17, 18.20 level next, then you wait for that retest and a continuation to the downside. So that's pretty much all for now. Hopefully that helps you, brings you some value. Again, subscribe to our channel because there's gonna be more videos just like this one coming out every week. Also follow us on TradingView, Forex Trendline, and don't forget to join our free Telegram channel where, like I said, we post even more trading content, more setups, more more ideas. And obviously, if you are happy with the information that you get here, then you can join our premium channel where we actually send out trading signals and we analyze not just gold or the majors, but we go through each one of those pairs that you see here on my watch list, including crypto as well. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Hit that like button and leave a comment down below and let me know what do you think of this video, and are you personally trading gold as well. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to watch our last 2 videos where you can find more valuable information. Check out our channel for more trading related videos. I wish you all a successful trading and I'll see you next time.